Okay, I want to say hello to everybody. I'm going to start a YouTube channel. I've been working on this old stuff for quite a few years, and seems like a lot of guys want their stuff like this worked on. This is a really nice C10 truck I'm working on. I think that's a 350 or 383 in there. Not really positive. I think it's a 70 or 71. Pretty nice truck. This guy drives this thing like a lot. For how much it's getting driven, it's a really nice truck. This job's going to be a rear gear change. He wants a different gear ratio. He's seeing too many RPMs on the freeway. And it's got a 4-speed. There's a 4-speed in the back of the truck right here. Muncie that I rebuilt, I think last year. And we're going to throw that in here, new clutch pressure plate, rear gear change, and then there may be, he's got a couple of little leaks in the engine. Hopefully it's just something dumb like the rocker covers or something like that. And we'll try to find that. Hopefully it's not a rear main, because we'll have to pull the engine out. This is a 2-piece rear main seal, and you got to pull the rear main cap to do it. So that'd be a complete engine reseal doing that. So yeah, this is the first job. I've for the channel, I've like I said, been doing this. Well, I've probably been doing this for 3 years. Quit my job and just started working on stuff like this. Excuse me. So this is going to be the channel. I got a lot of jobs lined up. Got a 68 Camaro coming in here towards the end of the week. I got a 66 Mustang coming in. I got a 71 Cadillac out in the back, waiting for an engine. I got a 68 Chevelle coming in. And I've been looking for some help now. I got enough work where I'm a 63-year-old guy, and it's getting harder to do this. I can still do it, but it's just I'm not as fast, and I don't miss things though. But yeah, just living the dream, I guess. No matter what, you're going to have to work, so you might as well work on something you like working on. That's my theory. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll kind of like go through the what we're doing here and let you follow along and show you the new projects. And if you like old cars, hot rods, and classic cars and stuff, this would be another good channel to subscribe to. Hope you guys follow. I'll talk to you later.